your shoulders drop. Very nice. And then again. Oh, perfect. Well needed. Drop there. That moved on its own, huh? Perfect. So a lot of times gravity will help if you position the joint, and instant relief. That's gonna open up. Nice little lock, but movement was good. And relax. Let go. Thank you. I know that was a little tighter. And you're gonna lift your head and drop it here. Okay, perfect. So tell everybody where you're from originally from. They hear the accent.
England, originally.
Yes. She got smart, she came to the US.
That's true.
Okay. Up you go,
Thank
Sarah.
you.
Awesome.